am going to show you how I make a kid-friendly sangria for my grandbabies. And it's amazing. So they love it. But anyway, I get 1 apple, 1 orange, 1 lime, and 1 lemon. And that's all I use for my fruit. And then you can get any really kind of juice you want, any kind of juice you want. But I do an apple cranberry because you always want cranberry and apple juice in there. That's just what my grandkids love. And I do some orange juice, and then I top it off with my sparkling mineral water. So, the first thing I do is I have washed all my fruit and it's dry. I am going to cut this apple up and take the core out. Because I'm going to slice this all up. Alright, now that I got that, I'm just going to slice these up in nice chunks. Okay. And they love this. You can use this for parties. You can use this, you can take this to work with you. This is really good. Really good. And it's better than giving them the sugary Kool-Aid. And they can nibble on the fruit that's in it. I just find it's really good for my grandbabies. They like it. Okay, now I'm going to cut this. I probably should have sharpened my knife. I'm going to slice the lemon up in little circles here. Actually, I got something better. You're going to laugh at me. Don't laugh too hard. I like cutting fruit with my bread knife. It works very well. Look at that. I have better luck. People laugh. What are you cutting your fruit with a bread knife for? Well, it works nicely. Okay, there's my lemons. All cut up. Now I'm going to cut up my lime was all cut up. Now I'm going to come up with a lemon. And they just absolutely love this. A lot of times I serve this in the winter time, at Christmas time, and I do a little bit of a different, mixture with it. But you can do this, adjust it for any season, and it's wonderful stuff. Okay? I got all those cut up. Alright, now I'm going to cut my orange up. Now you can use grapefruit, you can use blueberries, you can even make this to build up for an immune booster. But I just do this way because they love all this fruit. They love lemons, they love limes, apples and oranges. And I just refuse to give them Kool-Aid. Okay, so I got all that cut up. Now, nothing fancy, just a nice pitcher. I'm going to throw all this fruit in this pitcher. Everything. All these pieces of fruit. Now here comes the easy part. That's how easy this is. Making a sangria is just easy as can be. And I'm telling you, your kids and your grandkids will love it. You'll love it. It's good. Okay. So I'm not going to measure anything. I'm just going to start pouring because I want to at least fill the fruit. I want to over the top of the fruit with the apple and the cranberry juice. Okay, so there we go. That's good. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is what I forgot. No, not lime, lemon. I need lemon juice. I'm going to put a couple good squirts of lemon juice in there. Now, I'm going to put orange juice in there. It'd be about, maybe 2 cups worth. Maybe a cup. Somewhere in there. And now I'm going to put my sparkling water in there. Hang on, darling. And I'm going to top it off with that. I'm going to put a little more. I just play with it. I'm going to put a little more cranberry in there. And I'm going to give it a good mixing. This stuff is wonderful. You'll love it. And then this, when you're all done with this, you're going to want to chill this for about 4 hours till it's nice and cold and the fruit gets all saturated in there. And it will be good. So, put a little bit more on that. That's the sangria, friends. That's how easy that is. Now we're going to put this in the fridge for about 4 hours. And then when I get ready to serve it up, I'll be back and I'll show you how it looks. Okay, friends, I am back. This has chilled for 4 hours. And I also froze their glasses, their little mason jars that I always serve it in. They're going to love this. And then I always take a little piece of fruit in there. Lemon. That's too big of an orange slice. Lemon. Apple. Lime. Okay. That's good. Let me get my spoon here. And there. There's their sangria. How nice is that? And they will love it. And it tastes good. And I'm going to go and let them enjoy their sangria because they're busy blowing their bubbles. Thanks for watching. Hey, what you think, girls?
Good. Yummy.
You like that? You think other kids would like that?
Yeah.
Nice and cold. Okay. Tell our friends thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching.